to show you this one dry because it is one of my favorites. It can go either way. I think I like it better this way. I think it is a gorgeous piece. It has not been varnished yet, but it was painted with premium colors, so it has already a luster. It is a gorgeous piece. I hope you watch this video because it's wonderful. Hello there. So we're gonna start a new project, and this is gonna be all about greens and blues. And we have in here the last of the Cobalt Turquoise Hue, and I opened these because if you open it, you will be able to take whatever is left from here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the Floetrol right inside here so that I can take all that out of there. The same for this Cobalt Teal Hue. And I have Phthalo Green Hue, Yellow Green Light. I have Extreme Sheen Aquamarine. I have Saphire from the Extreme Sheen. And I have Crystal Green from the Dazzling Metallics. They're all DecoArt products. These are Americana Premiums, and these are Metallics. So I'm going to mix with half of Floetrol, one part of paint and one part of Floetrol, and I will be right back. All the products, all the links to the products and the names for the paints are all on the description of the video. So that now the next step will be to add the silicone. So I have two different types of silicones. I have one that is called FX Silk, half dimeticone, and this one is called treadmill belt lubricant silicone. This is a hair oil, and it has dimeticone. And I'm going to take a dropper, and I'm going to put a squish of this color in each of these. And I'm going to also put one drop of the treadmill. Now I'm going to mix it, but I'm going to be careful not to mix too much. So I like to count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to mix white, and I'm not going to put any of the silicone in the white. I'll be right back. I'm going to do a 10 ounces cup, and I'm going to start with white. Let me put some gloves. I'm going to start with white, and I'm going to fill that with white. Okay, and I'm going to put the colors without even thinking about it. Okay, so let's put this color, dark, light. Let's put the even darkest one. Okay, let's put this beautiful green. And I'm also trying to figure out theory today. I have the color a little bit more, even thicker than I normally do, because I want to test a theory that I have with some white. This is another of the metallic colors. We have several metallic colors in here. I'm not gonna even think about what I'm doing. Just gonna pour color in here. Put white. Until we have used all these cups. We do have more white. We have more white because I did a good amount of white. And if we have to mix more white, we mix more white. So let's finish with this color. It's going to be a flick cup that we're going to drag. Okay, that one is done. Let's go with the light. Okay, that one is done. Let's go with the green. The light green. We have two greens. Okay, let's put the dark green, or maybe this beautiful metallic color. The dark green. Let's maybe put some white again. It's easier from here. Let's see, we have two left to do. Whoa. We're making a mess, but we're gonna clean it up before we bring our canvas. A 12 by 16 canvas. We have a larger than normal canvas today, and I'm gonna put negative white spaces. Okay, one more, and then we're gonna put the white, and we probably have to mix more white. This is that beautiful metallic color. Okay, we have all those done. Let's take whatever is left in here of the white. But I want to also put some from high. Okay, now I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna mix a little bit more white And when we return, we're gonna have the canvas in here, okay? Okay, so we have our canvas here, and we're gonna do a flip cup with this large canvas. Gonna probably do it. I'm gonna do it from the bottom. Okay, but I want to move these in here. Okay, now I want to put white around it. This is a technique that other artists have used, and probably need more white. It was not enough. This uses a lot of white. Put more white. I'm gonna leave it like that because I'm gonna tilt it, and maybe that's enough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this and spread that white. That's what I'm gonna do, is spread that white. Okay. Okay, so let's start playing with these. It's a lot of white, and it seems that the white is making pressure and is sinking the canvas. Let's start playing with it. So I'm going to have an idea that I want to lift and move and lift and move, and I was not doing it good. But let's see what's going to happen. This is my first try with these. Look how pretty. I'm going to find the fire. Need to change my gloves. Have to play with this technique a little bit more in order to master it. And I'm not pleased with this fire. I think it's the flame is too small, and I don't think it does too much. Then all of a sudden I have more. Okay. Okay, let's tilt this baby to see what's gonna happen. And I didn't do a good job, but what I'm gonna do, since I didn't do a good job, I probably want to cover the whole canvas with this. So let's see how I can do that. That's pretty. So let's cover the whole canvas, since it was not what I wanted. I'm gonna finish this corner with, and I'm gonna play with this technique more and get better at it, but right now this is what I got. I want to move it this way because I want to fix that edge. Oopsie daisy. It's hard because it's a very large surface. Now, some people do larger than this, but the larger I have done. Okay, one thing I don't like is that section in there. I may put a tiny bit more of white and move it a tiny bit. Let's see. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Maybe not that much. Let's see, it's prettier now. I think it's prettier now. Don't you think it's prettier? Let's eliminate that corner too. That's prettier. And this corner, that is prettier. You don't have to do it if you don't, if yours is okay, you don't have to do it, but I didn't look finished, so. Very pretty. Okay, well, I hope you like it and come back for more. Take care. Subscribe. Bye-bye.